Exercise 9. Circulation of British newspapers. Listen to the recording and write down the numbers in the correct column.
You are going to hear about the circulation for some national newspapers in Britain in 1994. The circulation of the Observer from February to July in 1994 was 495,483. The Independent's circulation was 275,447. The Guardian was 400,856, and the Financial Times circulation was 296,634. The circulation of the Sunday Express was 1,544,404, and the Daily Express was 1,358,246. Britain's most popular papers were The Sun and the Daily Mirror. The circulation of The Sun was 4,101,988, and the Daily Mirror was 2,496,076.